Hello everyone, in this video we will see 0 by 1 knapsack problem using dynamic programming. So in this previous videos we have seen how to solve a fractional knapsack problem. What is the difference between the fractional knapsack problem and a 0 by 1 knapsack problem is, for example, in a fractional knapsack problem, if I have a weight or else my capacity of the knapsack as 20 and I have 15 weight already filled and I have 5 left and I have a weight of 10, then I can take a partial of the weight 10. I can take 5 so that I can fill my 20 capacity and then I'll have the profit. But whereas in 0 by 1 knapsack problem, we cannot do that. The only option we have is whether you have to take or else you have to leave the weight. So that is the way how we have to do with the 0 by 1 knapsack problem. And also, the best way to solve a fractional knapsack problem is the greedy method. Whereas for solving a 0 by 1 knapsack problem in the best way, we'll use dynamic programming. So let us know first what is the dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is all about solving a problem using a table, means storing the values using a table and creating a formula for finding the results for even a smallest subproblem. Recursively make them as the smallest subproblems and find the formula for calculating the result of the smallest subproblems. First, take a problem, solve it as a subproblem, and then the smallest subproblem. We have to solve in that way, store the values in the table, create a formula for calculating final result, and do it in a less time. That's all. So let us see how to solve this 0 by 1 abstract problem using dynamic programming in Python. So let us go for the code. So generally we know what we'll have in an abstract problem. We have profits, we have weights, and then capacity. Same way, I'm taking profits, weights, and capacity from the user, and then I'm taking a length of profits, means to know the number of weights or number of values, I'm taking a length of profits in a variable called n. And then what I have told, in the dynamic programming we'll use tables to solve. Tables in the sense in Python it is considered as a 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional table. In my case I'll take it as a 2-dimensional table. And here, so for creating a 2-dimensional table, I'm creating a 2-dimensional array here. So what I'm doing is k is equal to 0 for x in range of capacity plus 1. Capacity is, I'm taking it as a column. Capacity means capacity number of columns I'll create with this and initialize their values to 0. And for x in range of n plus 1, n is my number of weights or number of profits. So that many number of rows I'll create and initialize the values of 0. So if, for example, if I give a capacity of 20, what it will make is, it will make 20 columns and the number of weights or number of capacity number of rows. So that way it will create. And then in order to access the elements in the 2-dimensional array, what I have to do, I have to create 2 for loops. So that is what I have done here, one with the range of my rows and one with the range of my capacity. And then what is the logic here? If I or w, any one of these values, any one of this iteration value is 0, then assign the profit, means k of my table will contain my profits, the profit at a certain instant. That is what a subproblem, solving it as a subproblem. Here I of table, then I have to assign it as 0. Else if weights of I minus 1 is less than my current iteration w value, then use this formula. So that is what we have learned in the dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is all about solving the subproblems and then making it a formula to find the final result. So that is what, this is the way how you have to fill the table. Using this formula you can fill the table. Or else if these two conditions fail, then k of I of w is equal to k of I minus 1 of w, and then you will find the maximum profit by finding the last element in the table, k of n of capacity, number of final number of row and final number of capacity. So let me run and check. Enter the profits, for example 60, 20, 30, to the weights 10, 20, 30, the let me give a capacity of 40. So maximum profit is 90. That's all. Thank you.